Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like Goofy using ElevenLabs. Now I know they have a lot of voices in the library, but if you don't find a voice, you can just make your own one. So here we have voices. Go ahead and click on the plus button when you're logged in. Of course guys, the link is in the description, and then what you want to do is click on Instant Voice Clone. And you just need 10 seconds of audio. So I already downloaded the audio. I'm going to drag and drop right here. If you're wondering where I got the audio from, here you go, from YouTube. I just downloaded the audio, and make sure you toggle this one on. Remove a background noise from audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next right here. Then we just need to go ahead and choose our language and add some description and a name to this voice. All right, so I added a name, add a description. We'll choose the value for the language. There you go, to English. And make sure you toggle this one on and click on Save Voice. Then we're going to turn text to speech. Okay, click on Generate Speech right here, and then go ahead and put in any text right here. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, and make sure the voice is Goofy voice. Model is 11 multi-level V2. This is the newest version they have. Speed, I'll leave it at 1. Stability, keep it at 50%. If you are doing more text, okay, longer text, make it more stable. Similarity, I'll leave it about 75%. Solid exaggeration, none. Speaker boost, we'll keep it on. And then let's go ahead and generate this speech and see if we got a nice Goofy voice. Let's see.
Yuck! Hey there, ElevenLabs. It's Goofy. Just trying out this voice gizmo. Let's see if you can sound just like me without mixing up your goof. Yuck! Hey.
That sounds like Goofy. Anyways, guys, check out the link in the description and try it for yourself. Any voice you want. You can even clone your own voice.